Hello painters! Goodness, it seems a long time since I said that. A lot has happened since the last time I made a video and said hello painters. So you may have noticed that you haven't seen me here on the Acrylic Pouring YouTube channel for quite some time. Now, it was announced back in the Acrylic Pouring group and in the newsletter back in January, but if you only follow on the YouTube channel, then maybe you didn't get the memo, as they say. So you may remember that I had a heart procedure and had to take a little bit of time off back in December, and then I got straight back into it, went full out, and unfortunately I wasn't making the recovery and the progress that I needed to, and I got a good telling off by my doctor and my husband for doing things that, you know, not taking it easy, too much stress, being too busy, and not giving myself time to heal from my procedure. And also I have a lot of other health issues going on at the moment that I really needed to take care of. So I had to make a reluctant and very difficult decision that I had to step back. I couldn't be as busy as I was and still continue to concentrate on my health. So I didn't want the channel to stop, I didn't want the Facebook group to stop, I didn't want to take the website down, because I know a lot of you get some really good use out of that. So instead I found a couple of guys who are a lot younger, fitter and healthier than me, who will take care of it all going forward. So if you haven't yet met Mikkel and Josh, they're the new admins of the Facebook group. They're running the website and the store, they're taking care of the class and the book, answering all of your emails and everything else. I don't do any of that anymore. Mikkel and Josh are now the guys in charge and they're taking care of it. So all of the new videos that you see here on the YouTube channel, it's going to be more of a community channel going forward. So Mikkel and Josh are looking for volunteers, people who are great at making YouTube videos and would like to share their content with the wider acrylic pouring community. And from now on you'll see a lot more videos, projects, tutorials, ideas, recipes from a whole bunch of different painters and artists on this channel. However, I'm not completely sat at home doing nothing, I wish. I can never sit still. So I am still arting, I'm crafting, I'm painting, I'm pouring still from time to time. And I do have my own channel, which is going to be down underneath here. So if you're watching the video on YouTube, take a look at the comments under the video, because in the description below, the guys are going to put the link to my new YouTube channel where you can come over and follow me, and we can do some more art and crafty things together if you like too. But of course still stick around here at Acrylic Pouring, because there's going to be lots of great content for you here. So I suppose the last thing for me to do on this channel is to say thank you to all of you, because I really was a victim of the success of the channel and the website. You made it successful. You all poured your heart, your love and all of your talent and skill and time into those acrylic pours that you did, shared them all in the group and gave us all such a wonderful time. I was inspired by all of your creativity and your positive and encouraging comments every day. And of course I miss you a lot. I would like to still be there. I mean, I'm there still in the background. I come into the group and, you know, I follow along and I see the paintings that you do, but I'm not able to be as active with that as I would like to be. So anyway, keep it up, keep up the hard work. I can see that you're doing awesome things with the acrylic pouring, and I wish you all a lot of success and happy painting in the future. Goodbye painters, and happy pouring.